Go.
That's what we've done.
Remember, try and go as far to the right as you can.
Looking good so far.
Good.
Oh, here she comes. Ah, she is.
That's still recharging. I can't pass that yet.
Right, the damage on this is better already.
Pass that yet.
There's people on feet everywhere.
And no one's dead.
Yeah, look how much better it is
So
with
far.
everybody in this little group here.
Ready yet.
Yeah, much better.
Much more close together in where we should be, just to show that's all that was wrong.
Look at the
And it's easiest where I want to spell as well.
Pass that yet.
Questo è veramente magico come un birillo, perché? Perché è esploso così?
Oh shit,
Away from
I'll
the
wait
poison.
back at the corner
Just 'cause
then.
if I do that, I can avoid the poison.
That's a very nice. Thank you.
It's too far away.
No one did yet.
Just hope you don't see stairs with this.
I've got him back.
Ivy's dead.
Bishop got the fire.
Get Ivy up. Get Ivy up.
red.
If you can.
Ivy got the toast.
Ivy got the
There's a
stone.
stone.
Okay, good. But now
Ah, but she's dead again. Our
Yes,
red
this is the poison
was
spell. This is good.
That poison's just shite. I thought I was miles away once in it, actually.
Now we're talking.
It
Yeah.
looks like the princess isn't gonna hit today, so
That's
it's an easy thing.
Yeah, because the only dead one is Tesla at the moment. So we'll get pretty good.
Sometimes she, for sometimes no.
I've got it again, back. Move away, then. That's right, I'm on him. Fuck.
Oh shit. Ain't dead. Fuck off.
Shit, get it outside. Not that you can control it.
Get it outside, run back in, run right back
Got it
in.
then, yeah.
You've got it, Baron, I'm on him. Yeah, get in fast and away from the gate.
Too far away.
Yeah, because if you got Ag Dagger, we are gonna...
Oh, that
spawn.
poison's gone, so just stay away from the gate now.
Oh, it's so out of range of
I
that.
don't know why she's coming from me when I'm
No,
I got her.
Still there.
I got her.
Oh, is it? So I can't see it on mine.
Fuck,
Yeah.
I have it. It's out of blink, the range of my
No.
tongue.
I'm trying to run out to... Oh, no.
I was just at the bit.
Everyone kills the small mobs now.
Oh, no,
Yeah,
remember
AoE.
ads,
AoE.
lots of them.
I was feared.
I need to get close.
Okay, all the warriors on him. Just chainsaw him. Chainsaw him.
Spell isn't ready yet.
And everybody in melee range as soon as those things are dead. Drill.
And now I'm gonna aim knock up.
Yeah, bought Sandreaver
Oh, no.
crits now.
I still need,
Oh my god.
I've still got 200 daggers.
Use your stuff about that.
Me neither, actually.
Yeah.
Everybody into melee
That's when I put my daggers
range.
up.
Everybody in melee range. Nobody outside melee range, please, at all.
Oh, what the
You
script
completely
getting on this
avoided
cover
shooting.
with that? 867, I just got that.
Right, I'll soon tell you. Keep messing with it.
Avoid all these annoying charges with it.
442,
Yeah, it's non-crit.
365.
Oh, 921.
1,106 crits.
The what?
1,100 and something crits. Really.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
That'd be awesome on roads.
1,033.
968.
905 non-raptor crits. Just normal hit. I love this.
Così abbiamo fatto in maniera perfetta.
Beh, io sono morto.
I
don't know how it should be done.
Mine Tesla and Salah is dead.
Don't loot anything. Don't touch it.
Easy.
Wait until the dead people are up.